Hello everyone. Today this video is for the people who are planning to prepare for their Australian PR. So the Naati Ccl examination gives you 5 extra marks for your Australian PR. In this particular paper, you have to select two languages since it is a bilingual paper. One language is always English, while the other language can be anything ranging from Hindi to any other regional language such as Punjabi, Gujarati, or Tamil. And this language is called Lote, that is language other than English. So first, important step is to choose your Lote language. So Lote language should be based on the language that you use in your daily routine. And you have to be proficient not only into this Lote language, but also into English. This total exam is of 90 marks. It consists of two dialects each. And in each dialect, you will hear one audio of, say, you are going to listen to the audio into English, then you need to do an oral translation for it in Hindi. And again, the second segment would be of Hindi, wherein you need to do the oral translation into English. So each dialect will consist of, say, 11 to 15 segments. And each dialect is of 45 marks, out of which you need to score at least 29 because this is the passing eligibility for that dialect. Similarly, for the next dialect as well, you need to score 29 and it is on the same parameters. The total paper is of 90 marks, but yes, in order to get your 5 extra points, you need to score 63 out of 90. So this is the marking criteria. Now let's go to the basic say steps onto which you are being evaluated. The first thing on which you are being evaluated is the quality. When I say quality, that means how well you have translated the particular segment. The next is about your language efficiency, which will include your pronunciation, your fluency, your grammar into both the languages. And the last one is dependent on to three major things. The first one is distortion. That means you should not be changing the meaning of that particular segment. Second one is addition, that you are not supposed to add any of the words. And the third one is omission. That again means you are not supposed to be subtracting any of the important informations into the segment. This particular, say, dialogue, basically it has a scenario wherein you are in Australia and you are facing certain issues related to your migration, or you need some support, you need some help. There are certain topics onto which these dialects come. So as per Naati, these dialects are based on 9 topics, which I'm going to share with you onto the screens. Just hold on for a second. Okay. Hope you all are able to see the screens. Okay, so on your screen, first the test form is written, which I have already discussed with you, then the marking criteria and all these things. I have already discussed all these things with you, but definitely you can go through it in order to get a better explanation of it and in order to just remind yourself whatever I have told you. So when I was talking about the topics, the first topic is health and medical, out of which you can get the dialects. Then the legal one, housing and accommodation, financial and banking, employment and workplace, education, social service, and Centrelink. Centrelink is a body that helps the immigrants in order to settle down in Australia. It provides various kind of allowances and supports. So the next one is retail and consumer services. And then the emergency situations, wherein you are calling an emergency number, or you are reporting an accident, or you want to report some theft. So these are the particular, say, topics onto which you are going to get your vocabulary or going to get your dialects. But in order to make it easier for you, we have divided these 9 segments into 12 major segments, wherein we can cover a lot of different things. For example, the health and medical will remain same. We will have legal, it is again the same. We are going to bifurcate housing and accommodation. So because we want to cover these two topics in details, so there is a division of it. Then similarly, there is a division between financial, wherein we are going to cover banking separately and insurance separately. Then definitely education is there. Social service, again, we need to divide it into two sections. One is social service and another one would be community, and it goes on further. So we are going to do 12 vocab topics so that it is very comfortable for you to understand each and every situation and work according to it. And every day when we have our class, so first we will discuss the vocabulary with you. The vocabulary will be sent to you a day prior to your class so that you can at least go through it. I really don't want you to cram the vocabulary, because cramming vocabulary is a little difficult. But yes, when you start using it in your dialects, when you start translating it, then definitely you get hold of vocabulary very easily. And a very important thing that we'll do in everyday class is translation with the trainer. So how it goes by, initially we will be discussing the vocabulary that we have sent you. Uske baad, we would be discussing the translation of a particular scenario. For example, participant wise, I'll keep giving you segments so that you translate it. But on the other hand, अगर मैंने सपोज पार्टिसिपेंट ए से एक डायलॉग पूछा है, so I can ask after the participant A has once translated it and I found कि कुछ उसमें distortion है and there is some omission or addition or something else is there, definitely I can ask any of the B, C, D participant to translate it for me once more. So whenever a participant is translating, it's his or her turn, other participants are also supposed to be note making it and translating it, so that if in case I ask them, they should be able to translate it. Most important rule of Naati CCL exam is that you cannot ask for repetition of the segments again and again. Only once in the complete dialogue. Once in the complete dialogue, you can have repetition of the segment. That is without penalty. आफ्टर दैट आप जितनी भी रेपिटेशन मांगेंगे उसके लिए उतनी ही ज्यादा आपको पेनल्टीज पड़ेंगी और आपके माइनस होते जाएंगे, मार्क्स डिडक्ट होते जाएंगे. सेम वे, जब मैं कुछ बोल रही हूँ, कोई ट्रांसलेशन कर रही हूँ जो मैं कहना चाहती हूँ लेकिन उसमें मैं फंबल कर चुकी हूँ या मेरे को मीनिंग पहले याद नहीं आया, सेकेंड टाइम याद आ गया, ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल उसने कहा कि आई केम एट द रिसेप्शन एंड आई फाउंड दैट रिसेप्शनिस्ट वाज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. So it is very difficult? No, it is not. It is very easy to translate. लेकिन अगर आपको रिसेप्शन और रिसेप्शनिस्ट की हिंदी आती है, ठीक है, सपोज उस टाइम पे मुझे भूल गई, मैंने कहा कि मैं जब रिसेप्शन पे आई तो मुझे लगा रिसेप्शनिस्ट बहुत सुंदर है, ठीक है. तो अब इसमें रिसेप्शन और रिसेप्शनिस्ट मैंने इंग्लिश में यूज किए जिसके कि नंबर कटेंगे. तो इसके लिए अगर मैं इस तरह से बोल रही थी लेकिन थोड़ी देर में मुझे वर्ड याद आ गया रिसेप्शन का मीनिंग क्या है, तो उसको कैसे बोलना है. मैं रिसेप्शन पे करेक्शन, मैं स्वागत पे आई और मैंने देखा स्वागत ही बहुत खूबसूरत है. तो अब मैंने ऐसे बोला, जो मैंने बीच में रिसेप्शन करके करेक्शन शब्द इस्तेमाल किया, तो इसके बाद जो मैंने वर्ड बोला वो पिक किया जाएगा रादर देन द वर्ड, द प्रीवियस वर्ड दैट वाज रिसेप्शन. तो स्वागत पिक किया जाएगा, रिसेप्शन को पिक नहीं किया जाएगा. लेकिन फिर से माइंडेड, ये करेक्शन शब्द आप सिर्फ एक डायलॉग के अंदर 2 बार यूज कर सकते हैं. उसके बाद आप जितनी बारी भी इसको यूज करेंगे आपको पेनल्टी पड़ेगी. सो वील ट्राई कि आप इसको बिल्कुल यूज ना करें, हम इतने फ्लुएंट हो जाएं, इतने प्रोफिशिएंट हो जाएं कि हम यूज ना करें. सो उसके बाद क्लास में आपकी वोकैबुलरी डिस्कशन होगी, आपकी ट्रेनर के साथ 1-to-1 ट्रांसलेशंस हो गई. देन व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट? The next thing is you will be given a homework wherein you will be getting audios and you have to translate those audios और उनको ट्रेनर को 1-to-1 आपने ऑडियोज की ट्रांसलेशन कर भेजनी है. जब आप उसकी ट्रांसलेशन कर कर भेजेंगे तो एक ट्रेनर आपका होमवर्क सुन सकता है, और जो आपको वर्ड्स जिनकी मीनिंग नहीं आए हैं उनको आपको ट्रांसलेट करके दे सकता है। प्लस आप जब भेज रहे हैं अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग्स, तो आप जॉट डाउन कर सकते हैं कि मेरे को ये वर्ड्स पर्टिकुलरली जो थे ये नहीं ट्रांसलेट करने आए, एंड यू कैन आस्क योर ट्रेनर नेक्स्ट डे इनटू द क्लास। I hope that's pretty fine, that you have understood all the Naati CCL say rules, regulation, marking criteria, and how we are going to take your class. So all the best for your Naati CCL examination, and I know you're going to do it in a very great way. Thank you.